Morning, Year 6. So this is Wednesday's lesson, and we are back to a normal lesson. So just your usual sections: anchor task, guided, intelligent practice, dive deeper. Okay. Hopefully you got on okay with yesterday's though. So this one is our objective is to solve problems involving measures. So hopefully you're getting to grips a bit with these metric measurements now. So your task says, can you order the watering cans from smallest to largest capacity? So that's the volume, the amount of liquid that they would hold. So the green one over here is 1.4 litres. The red one is 1,250 millilitres. And the blue one holds half as much as the green one, half of the green one. So supporting hands if you need it. First job, how much does the blue one hold? Half as much as the green one. See if you can write down what that actually is. And then to be able to actually compare them, at the moment we've got a mixture of litres and millilitres. So can you write the three amounts in either all litres, so each one in litres, or each one in millilitres to be able to compare them? It doesn't matter which way you go. And I've popped this on just to remind you, if you go in litres to millilitres, you times by 1,000, and the other way, millilitres to litres, you divide by 1,000. Challenge, if you had 4 litres of water and you used it to fill all 3 of the watering cans, how much water would you have left? Right, I'm going to go through the answers now, so please pause the video, have a go on your own, and then start the video again and have a look at how I've done it, okay? All right, let's grab a pen. What do I feel like today? Well, do you know what? I'm just going to go with black, so I'm not messing with the colours of the watering cans. So it says here, how much does the blue one hold? So half as much as the green one. So if the green is 1.4 litres, that gives me, if I'm thinking decimals, half of this one is 0.5. Half of the 0.4 is 0.2, so that would be 0.7 litres. Equally though, I could do that in millilitres. So this would be 1.4 litres is 1,400 millilitres. You will notice I have not used the line method. I know that this is 1,000. So this has got to be 400, 1.4, 1,400, it just follows on. Same here then. I can just half this now. You've got times table facts here, look. Half of 14 is 7. So half of 1,400 is 700. In fact, I've just realised I could have used times table facts here as well. 1.4, 14, divide it by, times it by 10 to 14, and then divide it again. Anyway, we got there. So that's the blue one and the green one. The red one then is already in millilitres, 1,250 millilitres. I will just change that to litres just so you can see it depending on which way you've done it. So we'll have 1.25 litres. Again, I've not had to use the line method there. I know that this 1,000 is one whole, so the rest of it has got to be after the decimal point. There are 1,000 millilitres in a litre. Okay, so if you don't need to use the line method, don't use it. It just depends on how your brain is functioning. Right, so that's the main bit. So order them from smallest to largest. So, well, that's the smallest. So we'll put that as 1. That's the smallest. And then that one. And then the green one's got the largest capacity. Done. Challenge then. If you had 4 litres of water and you used to fill all 3 watering cans, how much water would you have left? Should we do this both ways as well? I might just go the litre way. So I've got no space to write is what I've got. I've got 1.4 litres. Add 1.25 litres. Add 0.7 litres. Now let's see if my brain is working. 1.4, so that would be 1.6. Add the 0.7, 1.6. 4, 3 is 2.3, so it's got to be 2.3, and I can't forget that 5. So 2.35 litres. You could have jotted that down in some different way. I'm hoping my brain has managed to add those up. No, it hasn't. It's 3 point. Do you know what? My brain has literally just stopped functioning year 6. That is 2 already. So this is going to be 3.35. 1, 2, 2.6. Yeah, it's got to be 3.35. Apologies. 3.35. Now it seems to make sense that I should check that then, because clearly my brain is not working. So we'll go with the milliliters as well. So I've got 1,400. So if I add this one on, that'll be 2,650. I'm just going to jot that down so I don't forget. 2,650. Add on the 700. So if I add on 400, that brings me up to 3,050. Then I've got another 300 to add on, so 3,350, which should match that one. Yeah, 3,350 milliliters. So how much have we got left from our 4 liters? Well, so that is 50 milliliters would make it up to 3,400. So that'd be 650. So we've got 650 milliliters left. Or if you wanted, we could call it 0.65 litres. Okay, right, that is it for the anchor task. Hopefully your brain functions slightly better than mine there with the adding up of those numbers. Okay, I shall pause the video and come back with the second video for the guided part of the lesson. See you in a moment.